Hello guys, I hope you are guys doing great and learning this kind of stuff. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create Google Console account and then get uh, client secret and client ID for your n8n. And most probably like why you need like this client secret and client ID. Cause you need this client ID cause without this two stuff you never connect your Google with n8n. Okay, and if you're learning n8n and AI and stuff, you must we need this Google service. Okay, and don't worry, this is too easy. If you watch this video, you don't need to go anywhere. In this video, I'm going to show clearly how you like connect your Google account, and even I build a docs file for you, so where you can get a proper idea how you connect. You don't need to watch this video. If you like uh if you make go my docs file and you get a like proper, this is the best docs file. Okay, okay, perfect. Here's the docs file. Here's the docs file. Here's the docs file. Yeah. So first of all, we need to go Google Cloud Console account. So here's the link. Just go ahead and just click here. And I already have in tab. So yeah. So first of all, after going in this cloud console you need to log in with your Google account. You need to log in with your Google account. Then like I think I don't know, like some people need to connect their card and some people don't need to connect their card, but for me I need to connect my card. I show many people that doesn't connect card and like they use it. But one thing is, if you connect your card, Google doesn't charge anything for it. It's completely free. Yeah. So let me show you how you connect the Google Console account with an n8n. And if you're a developer like anti-gravity use, Cloud Code use, so you obviously need your this Google credential, this client ID and client secret. Yeah. So just click here and create new project. Yeah. So yeah. So give any new project like for now I'm giving this name like n8n tutorial. Perfect. I use my billing account too. Then no, I don't pay any organization. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So it's take just a second. Then select this project here. Be careful. Be careful for it. Just go here and API and services and go enable API and services. And must be you need to selected your project. Okay. Okay. So we go enable services and API. You can also you don't need to click here, you also click library, then it's come same page. Okay, so uh what we need to know about what which n8n node we are going to use, like what we are using, like for learning n8n we obviously use Google Drive, Gmail, Google Sheet, Google Calendar. So we need to enable this 4 5, we need to enable this 4 5 uh this 4 5 I mean tools. Okay, so just go ahead and search sheet, click here and enable it, enable it. uh, okay, let's take just a second. Yeah, also you use drive DRI, Google Drive API. So let me enable this. Enable. Perfect. um Go credential and configure constant screen. Get started. Give app name like anything to which is supporting lives this one. Next, external, you can, if you go here, like you can see go auth constant stream go, get started app name anything supporting email audience is external, and give content info and kind of stuff. Yeah, external. Next, give any like contact information. This is my email. If agree, continue, and create. You can see this is successfully created. Um, Perfect. So now we are going to click create auth client. Application type web application. The web application name n8n tuto tutorial. Perfect. Then authorize URL. So how you get authorized URL? This is too easy. Just go ahead and then click here and just auth redirect URL. Just click to copy. Go ahead. Uh, just paste it over here. Just now click create. The most of the work is done here. Just two or three things we need to enable. Um, Copy client ID and client secret. Let me create a new credential for it. Here's, I think second one is client secret and the first one is client ID. Oh, I'm sorry. Let me copy. Okay. Paste it over here and copy it and just paste it over here. Then just two or three things we need to. Now we go verification center. I mean, not sheet. CTP. We need to update this stuff. Then GRI will drive. We need to update it like this. Then audience and add one test user. Okay. So, add one test user like I use another email for test user. Click save. And yeah, almost done. Almost done. Now, if we sign in into Google and then choose this account, obviously we need to choose this account access blocked and it ensure not complete Google verification process. Okay, no worries, don't worry. Let me try again. Advance. Uh, you can see the connection successful. It can pop up this block uh block text, but don't worry. Just click advance and connect this Google Drive. Select any file. Then this is done. This is done, and you can check it out this one, and I give this link in a description, so you can easily go ahead. And if you need any template or anything, you can check it out my this page. You can sorry, this not this one. This is for Bangladeshi people. Okay, you can check it out on my this page com, where you can see like Google, like many kind of template and template ready to use for your business. And you can get, if you're a learner, you can get like a journalist roadmap, then a automation business kit, how to start your agency, this kind of stuff. Yeah. Thank you for watching my video, and if I made any mistake, I'm sorry for that. Yeah, tada, have a great day and see you next video. And next video, I think I make some crazy AI agent like SEO expert agent and some Instagram lead scraper, LinkedIn lead scraper, this kind of lead generation stuff. Yeah, have a great day. Tada.